There's a lighthouse on the hillside that overlooks life's sea. When I'm tossed, it sends out a light that I might see.
And the light that shines in darkness now will safely lead us home. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, my ship would be no more.
Everybody about us says, tear that old lighthouse down. The big ships just don't pass this way anymore, so there's no use of it standing around. Then my mind goes back to that one dark, stormy night when just in time I saw the light. Yes, it was the light from that old lighthouse that stands up there on the hill.
And I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks I sing. He has shown a light around me that I might clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse,
tell me,
where would this ship be? I thank God for is the lighthouse, and from the rocks I sing. He has shown a light around me that I might clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse,
there are days I know when you get so discouraged it seems that all hope is gone. But there's one, only one, who can give you courage and strength to carry on.
never give up, Jesus is coming. It's the dark last much longer, and sin will soon pass away. But my faith in God keeps growing stronger, for Jesus is coming someday. Never give up, Jesus is coming. It's the darkest just before dawn. Never give up, Jesus is coming. Never give up, keep holding on. Never give up, keep holding on.
I'm only human. I'm just a man. Lord, help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Well, yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, you remember when you walked on this land. Well, Jesus, you know, as you're looking below, it's worse now than pushing and shoving, they're crowding my mind. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking from you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Well, yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time. Lord, help me today. Show me the way, one day at a time.
Let your sweet aroma fill my life. Rose of Sharon, show me how to grow in beauty in God's sight. Fairest of 10,000, make me a reflection of your light. Day stars shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Oh, day stars shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night. Oh, and Lord, I see a world that's dying, wounded by the master of deceit. Well, they're groping in the darkness, haunted by the years of past defeat. Standing near me, Lord, shining with compassion in your eyes. Oh, in your eyes. Oh, day stars shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night. Show me things I've never seen before. Lord, I want to be your witness. Only you can take what's wrong and make it right. Make it right. Stars shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night. These Lord, day stars shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night. Shine down on me, let your love shine through me in the night.
Oh, that's a good one, Tim. A lot of words. The chimes of time ring out the news. Another day is through. Someone slipped and fell. Was that someone you? You may have longed for added strength, your courage to renew. Do not get discouraged, for I'll bring news to you. It is no secret. Sing with me. What God can do. Others. What He's done for others. He'll do. He'll do for you. With arms wide open. With arms wide open. He'll pardon you. Oh, it is no secret. It is no secret. What God can do. He'll do for you. He'll do for you. With arms wide open. With arms wide open. He'll pardon you. It is no secret. It is no secret. It is no secret. What God can do. I'd like to ask you a question. If you're past 80, if you can, would you please stand? If you're past 80, if you can, please stand. Let's give them a hand. Wow, let's see. Okay, good. There's hope. There's hope for me then. Thank you. Good to see y'all. Wow, that's pretty cool. Well, my lovely wife is home tonight. Hi, Lucy. How's Duke doing? It's her doggy, little puppy. But she's watching tonight. And just, you guys, we love you. You don't know how much we do love you because you're part of our family right down in this area. So thank you for every year coming and support us. And we just say thank you so much. We're going to do another quartet song. Is that okay with you? Come on out, guys.
If you want more happy than your heart will hold, if you want to stand taller if the truth were told, take whatever you have and give it away. If you want less lonely and a lot more fun and deep satisfaction when the day is done, throw your heart wide open and give it away.
He was working in the garden when I happened by. He waved me over with a look in his eye and started breaking off some ears of corn. Here, boy, today this corn is just right, so boil it up for your supper tonight. I learned it's true what my daddy used to say. He said nothing is quite as good until you give it away.
If you want more happy than your heart will hold, if you want to stand taller if the truth were told, take whatever you have and give it away. If you want less lonely and a lot more fun and deep satisfaction when the day is done, throw your heart wide open and give it away.
There's been a lot of water gone over the dam since that day in the garden with my Uncle Sam. So I hope you hear these words I have to say. There are two kind of folks, takers and givers, gripers, complainers, big-hearted livers. Depends on how we choose to spend our day. We can hoard up all we've got or just give it all.
If you want more happy than your heart will hold, if you want to stand taller if the truth were told, take whatever you have and give it away. If you want less lonely and a lot more fun and deep satisfaction when the day is done, throw your heart wide open and give it away. If you want more happy than your heart will hold, if you want to stand taller if the truth were told, take whatever you have and give it away. If you want less lonely and a lot more fun and deep satisfaction when the day is done, throw your heart wide open and give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Give it away.
Yeah.
Give it away.
Give it away, yeah.
Why don't you give
Give it away.
it away?
All right. What a day. No. I want to just before we do the song, I do the second verse, but I want to share something with you about this song. When we were in the recording studio, we recorded this song, and I was moved. It talks about heaven, talks about home, and I started weeping. Then the singer saw me weeping. They started weeping. Talked about home. One day we'll be home. So we finished the recording. We thought we would listen to it back, and all the lyrics of the music were gone. All the words were vanished. They were gone. The vocals, all the vocals were gone that we were just recorded. And Tim Davis, Melody's husband, been around recording his studios all life, and Art, my son-in-law, they've never seen this happen. It was like that somebody said, yeah, home might be your home, but you're going to have a hard time getting there. We're going to take all the words away. And so we had to go ahead and record that again. This song, I requested that we have this song on because it meant so much to me. We re-recorded it, and we're going to sing it for you right now.
Somewhere just across the Jordan River is a place of everlasting joy and peace, where the streams of life are flowing there forever, and a crown of life is waiting there for me. That sounds like home to me, like where I want to be. There'll be no tears to fill our eyes again. The hills will echo with the story as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to me.
They say there's only joy inside that city. Little children playing by the tree of life. No pain, no disappointment there will hurt us. And Jesus Himself will be the light.
That sounds like home to me, like where I want to be. There'll be no tears
as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to me. That sounds like home to me. Like where I want to be. There'll be no tears to fill our eyes again. The hills will echo with the story as we sing of His grace and glory. Where the saints of God will be. That sounds like home to Jesus, oh Jesus, do you know Him today? Please don't turn Him away, oh Jesus, my Jesus. Without Him, how lost would I be?
Without Him, I could do nothing. Oh, without Him, I'd surely fail. Without Him, life would be hopeless. But with Jesus, thank God, I'm saved. Everyone, Jesus, Jesus, come on.
Jesus, oh Jesus, do you know Him today? Please don't turn Him away, oh Jesus, my Jesus. Without Him, how lost would I be?
Oh, without Him, I would be dying, and without Him, I'd be enslaved, and without Him, my life would be worthless. But with Jesus, thank God, I am saved. That's why I sing. you know him? Oh, don't turn. No, 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 no. Oh, Jesus, my Jesus. Without him, how lost would I be? Would I be without you, Jesus? Without him, how lost would I be? I said, without you, Jesus. Without him, how lost would I be?
Amen. How many can say, without him, we're nothing, right? Without him, can I see your hands? Without Jesus, we're nothing. That's right. But thank God, with him, we're free. We're free. Thank you so much tonight. We have another song to close with, but I just want to say thank you for making this one of the biggest crowds, I think, attendance we've ever had here. And thank you. And the weather didn't cooperate very well. This is a place where the sun always shines. That's what we were hoping. But anyway, it was, I'm sure, beautiful to see some snow in the mountains. I'd like to share with you folks that we've been invited to go to Prague, Czech Republic next year, and Romania. And we're excited about that. Radom, if you're watching, he's our sponsor in Czech Republic, and Daniel is sponsoring us in Romania. Two beautiful, beautiful places. We were there in Czech Republic in 2012, so it's been quite a while. So looking forward to going back and see all our friends there. Well, our closing song tonight is a song that, well, first of all, I'd like to tell you I have some good news. You want to hear some good news? Jesus is coming. How about it? That's the good news. One of these days, Jesus will be told by his Father, he says, "Son, it is finished. The battle is over. The war, no more war. The battle is over. Go get my children, bring them home, and we'll live with Jesus forever." You want to be there? I do too.
There's a line that is drawn through the ages, and on that line stands an old rugged cross. On that cross, a battle is raging to gain a man's soul, or it's lost. On one side marks the forces of evil, all the demons and all the devils of hell. On the other, the angels of glory, and they meet on Golgotha's hill. The earth shakes with the force of the conflict, and the sun refuses to shine. there hangs God's Son in the balance, and then through the darkness he cried,
It is finished, the battle is over. It is finished, there'll be no more war. It is finished, the end of the conflict. It is finished, and Jesus is Lord.
yet in my heart a battle was still raging. Not all prisoners of war had come home. These were battlefields of my own making. See, I didn't know that the war had been won. Oh, but then I heard that the King of the ages had fought on the battles for me, and victory was mine for the claiming. And now praise his name higher.
The battle is over. It is finished, there'll be no more war. It is finished, the end of the conflict. It is finished, and Jesus is Lord. It is finished, and Jesus is Lord. Jesus is
The Lord. Okay, be seated just a moment because I want the singers to get in place when you come out to buy your beers. Some of you Christians, when you get mad pretty bad, I tell you, we got told off pretty good last year. But hopefully this year we're going to be able to make up for it. There's been rumors that heritage singers are quitting. And the first part of this year, we had some dry spells, and we didn't know what the future would hold for us. So we made a matter of prayer. We said, Lord, it's just in your hands. And so people started hearing that we needed help and started to come to the table and to help us. I'm here tonight to tell you we're not quitting. We're not quitting. We don't think that God is through with our ministry yet. But this is a thing where it's you and us. We're totally self-supporting. We get a penny from the church. So it's people like you that keep us going. So if you want to see us going, stand with us, will you? And we want to say thank you in advance for what you're going to do. So go over there and take us home tonight. Get the brand new CD called Faithful. You will love it. Listen on the way home. You'll love it. You'll sleep better tonight. God bless you. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Amen.